We were in process of redoing our layout and to relocate one facility to other place. And for the purpose of planning, we had a choice to do it in-house or hire a consultant. We decided to go for hiring a consultant because he brings a lot of outside perspective in planning. SNCC's contribution to the whole layout planning has benefited us in many manners, starting with the operational efficiency improvement. Number two was the design and layout of the floor. It has become more spacious, and this helped doing a space saving. Then outlook and image upliftment through the better layout. And the last but not less important is the risk of investment, which was minimized through efficient planning. So it gave us opportunity to do all sort of correction on the screen before we commit the investment. Indirect benefit, apart from the direct savings in terms of process cost saving and inventory saving, material handling. The indirect benefit will be in terms of the better product quality because it's going to be made out of better processes. They have taken care of a lot of ergonomics plan into the layout, which is going to help our workers do the work more efficiently. And along with them, my team who was involved in the planning work, they have got a lot of benefit from SNCC engineers. So that is, I think, that is a long-lasting, advantages and benefit, indirect benefit of this achievement. Training in the sense that before the start of the project, I had mentioned to my engineers very clearly that because they are working day in and out on the floor, so they are seeing the same thing every day. While working with the SNCC engineers, they get to know a different way of looking at the processes and operations. Their modeling, their way of analysis, their way of using the tools to do the layouting. They were quite vigilant from the beginning to pick up the tricks from SNCC engineers. So in one way, I can say that it's because sort of training program they have undergone with the SNCC engineers.